Just a quick video showing the custom bracket that I made for the generator on the Rambler. So when I got this generator, actually when I got the car, there was an alternator in it, and there was a weird bracket on it. And I think the bracket, if I recall correctly, the bracket was the wrong one, so the alternator was further back, so that the pulley wasn't straight and it was wobbling. Anyways, the generator on the alternator burnt out, and so I ended up using the generator instead of the alternator. Anyways, I've used the alternator in different generators at different points in time, but at some point, for whatever reason, one reason or the other, I had to make a custom bracket for it. So at the bottom, it's actually just a flat bar of steel with two holes in it, and then a piece of angle with a hole on it on each side. But up here is where things got kind of interesting. So originally there would have been like a flat bar with a long slot, or a long, like a giant hole on it, and you'd adjust that, you'd get the bolt through it, and then you'd adjust it to where you want it, and then you'd tighten the bolt down. Again, for one reason or the other, that did not work here. It worked for the alternator. I didn't have the one for the generator, so I ended up having to make that part there. So that's actually a clevis, as you can see there. And then I actually drilled, it's not really the right size, but it's what I had. So I had to drill holes. So as you can see, the normal hole is this one. That's the factory hole. And then I drilled a hole here and a hole there. And then I welded a bolt onto like a flat wash, onto like a washer, and then another bolt going in through it on the block there, which is going to be kind of hard to show, I think. I'll try my best here. So that bolt, that's the head of the bolt there. It's not really complicated. It just took probably about an hour to do. And that bolts into the block. So I just thought I'd show you that. I probably have to correct a smaller clevis, which will make things easier, and and the holes won't be necessary. But I just thought I'd show you that. Thanks for watching.